Okay. See, the way we work with PeerSpot are, across three different teams. Each of them has very different metrics, first of all. Um, I'll try and capture two because I said the third one is under implementation. So it's not really given us any, borne any fruits yet. But I think for a sponsored comparison, there are two elements we look at it. A, the traffic we are generating from that. And that's, I said, it's fairly a middle of the funnel traffic, somebody considering a solution or a product. So that's been a consistent source of traffic which we've seen. Uh, we also, look at the demand gen point of view, which is those leads, and these are people uh, who are researching and have shown high intent in a solution like ours, and those again are fairly interesting, and we've seen good value coming from those two. So, uh, kind of rounded answer. So these two, I would say, is we've seen value. The LLM visibility, as I said, that's something we did not start off, 3 years back with that point in mind. But over time, that's again uh, a great example of how how those reviews and visibility on PeerSpot is helping our how LLMs look at us. So again, don't have a we don't have a target to be in a certain spot. Of course, we want to be leading there, but there's no specific target saying it has to be 70,000 citations or 20,000 citations. But idea is to kind of maintain leadership position over time. Specific to customer advocacy, the team who runs this, I have an oversight, but I don't run it directly all the time. Um, but they have a target of X number of reviews to be generated over a period of time. And then how do we engage with PeerSpot, especially at some of our major events, so like a lot of technical tech companies, we have large events, which are our forums wherein our customers come together, prospects come there, and we talk about our, what we are doing in our category and how we're changing the market, etc., etc. We have currently a set of roadshows happening across EMEA and APJ. We had the big event in Vegas last month, in June, actually. So at those kind of events, the team has their own internal targets of generating X number of reviews, which again, are generated and they sit on PeerSpot. Again, these are organic, uh, and then they again help us with the whole cycle of visibility, and then of course, etc., etc. So they haven't, as I said, there's a internal number, but so they've been pretty happy with what they've been able to achieve over time. So across these two areas of engagement, I would say fairly happy with how things have gone till now, and we just want to keep improving from there.